Welcome to Outdoor Madness, everyone. I am your host, Kerry Clark. All right, are you guys ready for another adventure? I am going to take you guys out to San Juan Capistrano, California. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. There's a winery out there called a Stone's Throw Winery. Just a little winery, kind of quaint, nice winery. Well, take a look. Tell me what you think. Alright, so anyway, this is something that your entire family can do, okay? If you got kids, maybe someone in your family's handicapped, they're in a wheelchair, they can do this. Now, I know what you're thinking, a winery? What are we going to take kids out there for? Well, we're not going out there to taste wine, alright? We're going out there for a raptor experience. You know, birds of prey? Adam's Falconry, alright? Adam is this guy that has these birds, all right? He's got hawks, he's got falcons, and he's also got this big giant owl called Mr. Bojangles. And when you do this event, it's hands-on. You get to touch the birds, you get to take pictures with the birds. He tells you everything about them. It is it's really an awesome experience. It's unique. So that's where we're going today. The falconry experience at Adam's Falconry. Let's go. Morning.
How is everybody today? Good.
Excited.
Well, we got some good weather. I guess we're actually going to have some rain again next week. Can't believe it. This has been a crazy year, but we had to cancel a couple of them, but not too bad. Not as many as I expected. Let me pick up this bird here. This is my chicken. Yeah, that's our youngest hawk, and he's going to actually fly around to some of you guys today. Okay. So that's Gunner saying hello. He is a Ger peregrine tercel. So a lot of people always ask, well, why not just a straight Ger falcon or a straight peregrine? And the reason is the Ger is a larger bird. If you take a look at him, he's the same size as that female peregrine in the back. And in birds of prey, he doesn't like it. In birds of prey, yeah, he doesn't like it's the hat, see? In birds of prey, the female's a third larger than the males, but like I said, you can see they're actually the same size.
Maybe time you put that hat on.
I'm going to throw that hat away. All right, so anyway, the gyrfalcon's a larger bird, and it's got a lot of stamina. It's extremely fast. It can fly down anything. But they're not from here. They're more from the Arctic area, so they're cold weather birds. Because of that, they don't do as well in the heat. Again, when you hybridize them, they tolerate the heat better. And they're also prone to a fungal infection known as aspergillosis. So again, it improves their immune system when you hybridize them. And we have better medications now too, so that's good. Okay, let's see who else we have. This is the falcon side. Like I said before, this is Piper. This is an autumn peregrine. This is the peregrines that you're going to actually see if you go down the beach. You know, we've got a lot of them now. There's tons of them in Long Beach. You've got them in Dana Point, up and down the coast. Any large bridge will have them. They're in the cities where they're up on top of the big buildings, chasing mostly pigeons in the city. On the coast could be anything. With the nest in Dana Point, I went and watched them a couple years ago. They had one of the little baby males, which is like I said, a third smaller than that one there. So maybe it's those guys run about 550 grams, and it was sitting up above the cliff, just kind of hanging out in the air, waiting for something to come by, practicing. So like a cormorant comes through, and it comes down and it smacks a cormorant, goes right into the water. Not trying to catch it or anything, just having fun. And then it did the same thing to a seagull. And then I saw a pelican come by. I'm like, no way. It's like this big versus, and it knocked the pelican out. Same thing, right into the water. Knocked it right out of the sky. I was shocked. I mean, the size difference is so amazing. But it hit it in the wing just enough to knock it off balance. And the only thing that was hurt on the pelican was its pride, really, as it splashed into the ocean. Then you guys will show me what pros you are, and you're going to get a chance to have the hawk fly to you. We'll do a group this size. We'll split you in half. We'll have Boris do the first round, and then Harry do the second round. So if you want a little bit of a challenge, take Harry. Although I shouldn't say that. Now he's getting pretty good. Before, he would fly and land on the line with the lights, or fly into a tree and then come back. So it made it a little more interesting, and he would sit on the glove a little bit longer for pictures. I mean, you just never know what you're going to get with him. So, but he's gotten better now. He's pretty good now. So we'll see. And then after that, we'll take a group picture. And then you guys will get a chance to probably hold the peregrine today. You get a chance to take individual pictures with the peregrine. You'll feel the weight difference between the two birds. Even though they look about the same size, the falcons are almost double the weight because they've got that pronounced keel with a lot of muscle attached. And then after you get a chance to hold the big falcon, we'll bring out the little falcon again. You'll get a hold of that one, no glove required. And then we'll finish up with the owl, which is over in the black box. And,
right.
I never bring out the owl till the very end. The second I do, no one pays attention to anything else I say, and you'll see why once you see the owl.
It's like he's huge.
All right, so we'll get started with the little falcon.
How long have you been doing this, Adam?
On and off since I was 12.
Wow.
So just a few years.
I won't ask you how old you are.
A little older than 12.
sunset over 40 years.
How I got
Really?
into it was my dad had mining property in Carson City, Reno, Nevada. So as kids we used to go out hunt and fish and all that stuff, and then we found some Kestrel falcons that had just fledged, you know, and they were probably fine, but we're 12, and they're like, oh, we must save them, let's take them home. So we took them home, and then realized you had to have a license. It was all fishing game, and they're more or less coming to take them away from us because we had them illegal. And fortunately for me, though, one of the kids that was with me that day was the governor's son.
Oh,
So
nice.
going to the governor's mansion in Carson City. He's like, okay, let's use a little Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to keep your glove hand down at your side
Okay.
until it's on his glove. Once it's on his glove, we'll bring yours up. You'll see him eat over there. When he's done eating, he lifts his head. He's looking for it.
Okay.
Double tap for us, he'll follow you, and you won't even have to move. He'll go to the next person.
Okay.
This one's named Harry.
What's up, Harry? Harry.
Introducing the one and only Mr. Bojangles!
The experience, the Raptor experience at Adams Falconry Service, San Juan Capistrano, California. You will not be disappointed. Thanks goes out to Adam and his staff for letting us film this one-of-a-kind experience. I'm Kerry Clark for Outdoor Madness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
He looks into your soul. I feel guilty and I don't even know why.
You don't know what you did?